Today we're at the High Falls Reservoir, Twin Bridge, Jumping Rock. Got Christie here today. Go find some stuff right here where people jump off the rock into the water. Got a lot of Apple Watches, jewelry here before. Let's go get it.
It's never gonna get old. Ever.
Found a Fitbit. Okay. Yeah. A lot of trash out here. I got her stirred up. Apple Watch right here, and a Fitbit earlier, Series 3. Heading there. Hone. I found a floppy disk. Floppy disk. What is that doing over here? Someone's bottom part of a shoe. A rope. Found another one of these slip bracelets. Look at that. Bloop. I can't see nothing anymore. It's all stirred up. I think we got plenty of trash out of here. A couple watches, no rings.
I went all the way under.
Cool. You look beautiful. Alright guys, just got done diving over here by the rock. Check out what we got.
Go quick.
Yeah. Got a bunch of cans right here. Piece of a shoe, some plastic, glass, clothes up here. And what do you got up there, Christie?
Found Crandon Barbie's boyfriend in Crivitz.
A bunny. Oh, what else you got?
And a slap wrist thing. A little slap thing.
Oh! And that's your floppy disk from when?
3rd grade.
3rd grade, okay.
That's where it went. Wristwatch.
This Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
See, Series 3.
Yeah.
We got a Fitbit right there. If iPhone with some sunglasses.
Yep.
What kind of iPhone is that?
An old one that's not ever gonna work again.
No, probably not. Bungee strap here. Someone's beads right there. A couple of lures. A lot of trash shelves right down there. Once you start diving, you stir it up. Can't see nothing, but nice to come out and clean it up. Good day.
The smell of this stuff is atrocious. It's nasty.